Hi guys, welcome back. The Family Search has this new section called the Discovery section. So if we scroll down, today I will be going over the Missionary section. This is where you can view your ancestors who were Mormon missionaries. But if you want to know about any of these other sections here on the Discovery section of Family Search, I will leave links for those videos in the description box below. So the only way I know how to get to the Discovery section page here on Family Search is to type this /discovery after the FamilySearch.org. But if you guys know another way to get here, please comment below. I would love to learn that. But for now, that's the only way I know how to get here. And then we scroll down to the Missionary section and we'll click Missionaries. So right here is a list of ancestors who were Mormon on my husband's tree, because we're on his side. Yeah. Ooh, Scandinavia. Let's go to that one. Okay, we're doing this one. Christensen Olsen. So, if their ancestor has a picture, I would have a picture, obviously. Their name, birth and death information. Right here would be their mission and when they served their mission, and your relationship, and then view the page. So we're going to do relationship first. So it gave a little pop-up box, and it's going to start with you. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and start with you, and then go up to your ancestor. I have now scrolled up, and we can see that this is my husband's many-time great-grandfather. Yeah, who served a mission in Scandinavia. Or Scandinavian. I don't know. Okay. So, we can click on Scandinavian, or whatever you want to call it. And it will show you a map of the area when that area mission field was founded. Mission summary, so when it was organized and all that. So, bunch of Swedish, Danish, Norwegian missions. I think it's kind of funny because it's Olsen that came here. More about the geograph, organization, mission presidents throughout the time frame for that area, or yeah. And then sources about the mission area, the mission field over there. So just a little summary on that. Now we're back here to Christensen Olsen. We can go view page. And it's now pulling up his personal page. So, gender, birthday, where he was born. See, this is why I was laughing. It's a Sweden mission. He was born in Sweden. Death date, baptized, who was baptized, father, mother's name, and all that. So here's now his age when he was called, where he went to, the months that he served. So he served from September 8th to July of 1881. And here's all the people, all the information you want to know about his mission. Then right here is the stories, documents, sources of his mission. So let's click on this first one. So his isn't really something special. Some people you can get stories and other documents. His is just the registration kind of thing of, hey, here's your name, date, place, and all the information they need for you to go on your mission. Let's see if we can zoom in and see his name. Maybe. Really, as far as it lets me zoom in? Well, if we zoomed in further, I would find his name. I'm not very good at reading cursive, so. But yeah, so this is just his information about him when he started his mission. Some people have cooler stuff. He doesn't, apparently. So here we are back at the Family Search page, not at the LDS. And we're going to scroll down. So right now it's showing you a map of where this is a map of the world, and you can slide this little bar and it'll show you all the purple spots, which are mission fields that the church had at the time frame. So we can go 1840. We have the Welsh land in eastern United States. Anyway, then you can just go forward and see where the mission fields were and not at the time frame. Kinda cool. Go fast forward. It's kind of fun. The little blue icons are your ancestors who served missions, so mine kind of stayed in the two areas pretty much throughout the time. They're just popping up all over the place. Okay, I'm sorry, that was fun. That was a little fun and addicting. Yeah, apparently the family doesn't travel far. Granted, my husband said the family, they're not really that big on being LDS. His family tree comes in and out, so it's not surprising there's not a lot of fields. If your family has served lots, then this map would probably be cooler. If you scroll down, there's more missionary information, more missionary videos to help build that testimony and get you inspired into mission work. Some activities, some fun missionary activities and stories down here. And then how to get started to do missionary work, or provide a referral. So be careful doing that one. So that's just the basic missionary page. It's kind of fun and interesting because just like the Pioneer Ancestors or the Relief Society, it's a side of that Mormon history that you're just not taught during the church or when you're in Sunday school or at church. And that gives you a whole new perspective of the church and a whole new aspect of things and help build your testimony. And I love it. I love this part. I love hearing the history of the church or hearing history in general. So it's kind of a cool, fun little section. And if you're about to start a mission or wondering if you should start a mission, this would be kind of a fun section for you to explore or have your kids explore if they're about that age. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment them below. If you have any suggestions on what I should film, also put that in the comments below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. I hope you guys appreciate this. I hope you also have a beautiful week. Bye.